Hi there, I'm Juliana McMillan-Wolfwhite, and I am so grateful that you are interested in our portfolio workshop and portfolio creation challenge. We ran this last year and it was incredibly successful. And so based off of the feedback that I received from everyone who participated, we have made it even better for 2021. And so this video is just going to talk with you a little bit about what this portfolio challenge is, who it's for, and how it's going to work. So I believe that people who work in the world of data and data visualization, whether that be as a data scientist, data analyst, a GIS analyst, or even somebody who's like an urban planner, that the work that you do is inherently visual. And so being able to communicate the work that you do in a visual manner is so incredibly important. I also believe that the story that you have with your career, the past that you have, and that it's really something that's really important to be able to own as you move forward in your career. And so that's the whole heart and vision behind the portfolio workshop and the portfolio challenge, is both creating a visual product to be able to showcase your work, but also being able to articulate what your personal value proposition is, what value you add, as well as perhaps recognizing some gaps that you have in your portfolio and in your resume, and working on filling in those gaps. So we really take a holistic approach. So what's really unique about this portfolio workshop and challenge is that we're going to have a community around it. So we'll be offering the workshop on 2 different dates, which is an opportunity for you to attend live, ask questions, and so like the workshop gives an overview to what is a portfolio, what are the parts of a portfolio, just sort of like setting everything up. And then we'll have a series of weeks after that, which will take you through a variety of challenges. So the challenges include things like developing a personal value proposition. If you don't know what that means, that's okay. Essentially, it's your thesis statement in terms of saying, this is the value that I have, and that's our foundation, because then you're developing evidence, right? If you think about this like an essay, an argumentative essay, you're developing the evidence for why you are a fantastic candidate, both for a role or just in general. So we'll have a series of challenges that really will help you shape that portfolio. But what's really great about that is that we'll be doing those each week. I'll be going live, and we'll have you'll be able to get live coaching from me if you have questions about that particular challenge. If you can't make it in real time, that's totally fine. You'll still have access to the videos, and we also have a community that's set up where you can ask questions from other people. I'll be active in there. You'll be able to share what you're doing, get feedback, and that's something that's really important, right? Is that you'll be able to build relationships with other professionals, and also network, but also build a community of people who are interested in the world of data. So I am just really excited for you to come and join within this endeavor.